welcome back to my channel. I am your host Mohsen Ali and you are watching Global Sports News. I am really excited to have you all here today for an important discussion about the upcoming 2024 US presidential election. Today, we will talk about something very important, the health of the candidates, focusing on Kamala Harris and Donald Trump. As we know, health is a big factor when it comes to choosing a leader. The American people want to know that their president is fit and ready to handle the tough job ahead. So, if you enjoy this content and want to stay updated on all the latest news and analysis, please hit the subscribe button and join our community. Now, let's jump right into the details. Kamala Harris, the Vice President and the Democratic nominee for President, has taken a bold step by releasing her medical records. This is not just about proving she is healthy. It's about being open and honest with the American people. Harris' medical record shows that she is in excellent health and fit for the presidency. This is crucial because voters want to know that their leader can handle the pressure of being president. Harris' decisions to release her medical information is a strategic move aimed at building trust with the public. By being transparent, she hopes to show voters that she has nothing to hide. This opens is a refreshing change and sets a high standard for transparency, which many voters appreciate. Dr. Simmons, who is a U.S. Army colonel and Harris physician, conducted a thorough examination of her health in April. He wrote a detailed report stating that Harris has both the physical and mental strength needed to be president. His evaluation found that her overall health is very good and that she maintains a healthy lifestyle. Dr. Simmons described Harris' recent physical examination as unremarkable, which means there were no significant health issues found. This is excellent news for any considering her for the presidency. He emphasized that she leads an active lifestyle. She is important for anyone in such a demanding role. However, it's important to note that Harris does have a family history of colon cancer, which can be a concern. This shows that she is aware of her health risk. To manage this, she keeps up with regular checkups, including colonoscopies and annual mammograms. By taking these steps, she is demonstrating her commitment to her health and well-being. This kind of responsibility is something that many voters can admire. Now, let's turn our attention to Donald Trump, the former president and the Republican nominee. In response to Harris' disclosure of her medical records, Trump campaign has not released detailed health information. Instead, they have only provided statements from Trump's doctor, claiming he is in perfect and excellent health. This raises some questions. If Trump is indeed healthy, why not provide detailed medical records like Harris did? It's a question mark. The Trump campaign's communications director Steven mentioned that Trump has a very busy and active campaign schedule. While this statement aims to highlight Trump's energy, it may also seem like an excuse for not being transparent about his health. Many voters are starting to feel uneasy about this lack of clarity. Transparency is essential in leadership, and Trump's reluctance to share his health information could lead to concerns among the public. Another important aspect of this election is the age of both candidates. Kamala Harris is in her late 50s, while Donald Trump is 78 years old. Age can impact how well a person performs in a demanding job like the presidency. Many voters are worried about the mental sharpness and overall fitness of older candidates. Harris has been vocal about questioning Trump's mental fitness. She has pointed out that time when Trump seems to go off topic during speeches or debates. This tactic is strategic because it plays into the concern many voters have regarding the cognitive ability of older candidates. If Trump wins the presidency again in November, he would finish his second term at the age of 82. This would make him the oldest president in US history, a record he would share with Joe Biden, who will also be 82 when he leaves office. With both candidates facing scrutiny regarding their ages, voters are paying close attention to their health and mental acuity. Currently, national polls suggest that Kamala Harris has a slight lead over Donald Trump. It's a shocking news for Trump voters. However, in crucial battlegrounds states, the numbers are very close. This situation indicates that voters are carefully considering various factors when making their decisions, including health and fitness. The way candidates handle health transparency could significantly influence public perceptions. Harris' decisions to release her medical records sets a tone of opens that may resonate with voters, while Trump's lack of disclosure might raise questions about his transparency and willingness to share vital information. By publicly sharing her health records, Harris is not only providing her own fitness of office but also challenging Trump to do the same. This move puts pressure on Trump to respond and could create a narrative of accountability. After Harris' release of her medical information, a spokesperson for her campaign boldly stated, "Yon turn Donald Trump." This statement underscores the expectations that all candidates should be open about their health, especially those running for the highest office in the country. Harris continues to emphasize the importance of health and fitness in leadership. By directly addressing Trump's lack of transparency, she seeks to position herself as a candidate who values honesty and opens qualities that many voters respect and appreciate. Health is a crucial issue in politics, especially regarding presidential candidates. Voters want to be assured that their leaders can manage the pressure and responsibilities of the presidency effectively. In recent years, the public has become increasingly aware of the significance of health and wellness in leadership. A candidate's health can impact their ability to lead effectively and make sound decisions. Harris' proactive approach to sharing her health information highlights her commitment to transparency. While while Trump's reluctance may raise doubts among voters as the election date approaches, both candidates must address these health related questions directly the to the show the public. The ongoing discussions about health transparency in the presidential race is not only about Harris and Trump. It reflects broader values regarding honesty and accountability in leadership. Voters are demanding that their leaders be forthcoming about their health, just as they expect transparency in other areas of governance. If Harris can maintain her narrative of transparency while challenging Trump on these issues, she may strengthen her position among voters who prioritize health and wellness in their leaders. On the other hand, if Trump continues to avoid releasing detailed health information, he risks voters who may view him as secretive or secretives as we get closer to the election. The impact of health on the campaign will become even more critical. Voters will continue to see their leaders not only for their policies but also for their health and fitness. Harris opens about her health could provide her with a crucial advantage, while Trump's reluctance to share similar information may hinder his campaign. The conversation around health is likely to evolve, and we may see more candidates taking proactive steps to address their health and wellness as part of their campaign strategies. How candidates manage their health disclosures will influence voters' perceptions and could ultimately impact the election outcome. Kamala Harris' decisions to release her medical records is a significant moment in the 2024 presidential race. This action not only puts pressure of Donald Trump to be more transparent about his health, but also emphasized the importance the importance of health and fitness. As voters prepare for the upcoming election, they must consider the candidate health and their ability to lead effectively. Health is a central issue that voters cannot ignore. With both candidates facing questions about their fitness for office, the need for transparency is more important than ever. Harris' proactive stance could resonate positively with voters, while Trump's lack of disclosures may lead to skepticism and doubts. So, what are your thoughts on this important issue? Do you believe that candidates should be required to share their medical records with the public? I would love to hear your opinions in the comment sections below. And if you have not subscribed yet, now is the perfect time to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video for more in-depth analysis and exciting discussions about the elections. Until the next video, take care.